Melissa and Mickey here. We are 2 days before we head and embark the beautiful new Disney Wish. And we have purchased our test kits, our COVID test kits, and we're doing it in the luxury of our home. We ordered it from Inspired Diagnostics 30 days before. You can log on your Safe Passage account and you can create an account for yourself for each one in your party, and then you download your vaccination card, and then it opens up where you can order a test kit and it's mailed to your home. It's the most beautiful thing ever, and it's especially good for us because we're going to Walt Disney World for a pre-night, so you need to do it within 48 hours of sailing. So this was really convenient. So inside of our test kit we had, of course, the test, lots of information. Right after we purchased it, we got an email. We were able to set up our time, which is, we ordered last week. So it got to us within about a week. And then once we got the email that it was being shipped to us, it was overnight shipped, which was really nice. So super easy. It's got a collection tube, a swab, a cap, an antigen test, and a box. So yes, and we're fingers crossed, praying hard that we're negative. We think we are, so we can embark the beautiful Disney Wish. So I highly recommend that. When you book your next Disney cruise with Melissa and Mickey, you can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com, and I will walk you through everything. I'll take great care of you, and you want to book your Disney cruise with a Disney expert, so contact me today. It would be my pleasure to assist.
Eastern, but
Here's
I'm in
our
a different time
kit.
zone, so anyway, here I am.
Our instructions.
As long as you're here now, okay? So we can start.
And here is our text kit, and we are on the line with Inspired Diagnostics.
And my name is Laurel from Inspire.
Okay.
And can I have your name, sir?
Welcome.
And only the two of you will be testing today?
Correct.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So we can now start the test. So can you show me your kit? Okay, that's an on-go. Okay, perfect. Now, we're going to conduct this test for both of you at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Right, I want you to
Help
open
me,
first the one that has the word on-go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm opening that.
Okay. I think we have it.
Right, after you open it, you may open now the swab. Just
Okay.
place it on a flat surface or on your table.
Okay.
And then next is the swab. You may open it.
Here's our swab.
Okay. Swabs are open.
So, alright. So, Melissa,
Yes, sir.
can you move a little closer to Jack? Okay,
Yep.
there. I can, so that I can see the two of you. Alright. Now you're going to swirl it on both of your nostrils for 10 seconds each, okay? I
Okay.
will be counting for both of you, so if you're ready, you may now start.
Okay.
Both of you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, on the other side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, good. Now open the test tube. The one with the liquid.
A little blue tab here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remove the cover, the blue cover. Yep.
Okay.
That one.
Okay. Putting it in here.
Yes, put the swab in. You're going to
hold
swirl
that.
it for 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you need to squeeze the tip before you remove it by pressing the test tube in the middle part and then pull out the swab. You can press it in the middle and then pull out the swab.
Okay.
Press it in the middle.
We're done.
Okay.
Now I want you to tap the bottom part or the liquid part like this for a couple of times.
Right.
Okay. Now, alright. Now on your test cassette, there's a small square with a ×3 word. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to put 3 drops on the small square.
Okay. 3 drops. Okay.
Please, Lord.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay. Setting a timer for 10 minutes. We're going to wait for the result, okay?
Okay.
And then we're looking for 1 red line beside the C or a negative.
Okay.
Right? It may show you a line within a minute or 2, but we need to wait for 10 minutes for an accurate result, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so just to check, you're able to log into your Safe Passage account, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So I need you to focus the camera on the 2 test cassettes within this 10 minutes period.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. I can see it now.
Okay.
Alright, so the camera is capturing that screen, so just stay like that, and any other stuff you may now dispose it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so as of this moment, you can now relax or you can do your stuff if you would like to, okay?
Okay.
I'll let you know once it's 10 minutes time.
Okay.
Perfect.
How long have you guys been doing this test like this?
We're almost doing this for almost a year now.
Oh, a year. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, I'll see you in a bit, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
So now the proctor has turned off the camera, but the camera is facing our 2 test kits. So that's awesome. The really nice Inspired Proctor is going to tell us when it is time to come back. So it's looking good. I see 2 negative lines. So we look like we're set to go, but they do want you to wait for the full 10 minutes. So that's what we're doing now. We are here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just to check, are you able to log in now to your Safe Passage account?
I will test that out.
Okay, thank you. Kindly now, okay, go to embarkation screening homepage.
You're there.
Okay, are you there already? Show me the result in front of the camera.
Okay. Just put up so I can see what I'm doing
Now
here.
we're showing the results in front of the camera.
You see?
Okay,
That's
steady.
mine.
Can you move a little bit lower there and then closer, a little bit closer? Okay. Alright, so we're now checking the QR code at the top. That's 1 red line beside the C. Alright, perfect. This is your result, right?
Okay.
Scott is showing his test result.
Okay, that's
To the
the
camera.
1 red line beside the C, the QR code. Alright, perfect. Thank you so much. Sending the results, and it will be uploaded to your Safe Passage account any moment from now.
Wow, that's quick. So it's instant.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So you should be able to see there.
Clear to sail. Ha ha! Clear to sail. And I just got an email that says test results.
Oh.
There is a view button at the right with the arrow down button.
Yes.
Once you click that one, you should be able to see the status of your test, which is completed.
Complete.
And there's a view result.
Okay. And click
Complete.
View results.
View
Yep, click the view
results. Oh, look at that.
That's where you today, Melissa and Jeffrey. You both enjoy your cruise, okay?
Thank
Oh, we
you.
will.
Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Thanks, sir.
Well, thank you so much. Have a good one.
Okay, bye.